Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a kind of different series that I'm starting on my channel where I go and declutter my entire makeup collection. So if you don't know, hey, my name's Adrika. I upload 3 times a week on this YouTube channel, so tune in every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday if you want to see my face on your screen. So I am going to be going through pretty much all of my makeup, decluttering everything, so this is the same intro that you're going to see for pretty much all of them. It's always good to go through your makeup collection, get rid of any expired makeup, get rid of makeup that you're not using, give it to a home that will use it way more. So all the expired makeup I am chucking straight in the bin, but the not expired makeup, stuff that I'm just not quite that into, I will be donating or giving to friends and family, all that business. They are not going straight in the garbage. That is so wasteful. I'm sure someone could use it somewhere. Any links that you're gonna need, I will be linking them all down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, if you want to see me declutter blank, insert whatever I'm decluttering today, then just keep on watching. Alrighty folks, we have another round of the decluttering game. So here, clean desk. These are all of my eye stuff that's not in the little cubicle that I have over there. There's a lot of stuff in here that's expired. I already know, like I have this mascara bin. Most of these gotta go. I have a bunch of other stuff that I just don't use. So we are going to be going through all of this and decluttering. So first off, this is my mascara bin. This is old as hell. All right, all of these are really old and I'm going to throw these straight in the trash. Do not ever share your mascara. I have some lash glue. This is my only lash glue. I use it quite often. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, really nice. This Buxom one is really nice as well. And I have this tiny little Too Faced mascara melt off for like travel and all that. But look at all these mascaras that need to be chucked. So that one was really quick, really easy. And now we move on to this. These are samples of stuff. I'm gonna put these to the side. I have this backup eyelash curler, always good to have. I don't use this. This Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner, it's like a brown color, so I'm gonna give this away. It's a little bit too dry for me, so it's not for me. Oh, I forgot I had this. This is a Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. This is a beautiful shade. I will be keeping that. This is the only white eyeliner I have, and white eyeliner is quite handy. I have a clear brow gel from Essence, really good to have. I got some eyeshadow primer, some backup ones from Wet n Wild and Milani. Both of these are great. This I will be giving away. This is a CoverGirl brown eye maker. I don't use that brand here. I have my favorite, like what used to be my favorite primer, the NYX Proof It. Really good as well. I have this eyeshadow stick from Jordana, which is absolutely beautiful. This amazing aqua color. I need to use this more, and I'm definitely gonna keep that. I have this Essence Dip eyeliner. Are you still good? Let me smell you, because it's been about like a year. I should probably chuck this. Look. It smells like lettuce. Oh my god. Oh my god. Burger King foot lettuce. Does anyone know what that means? That's all I can think of anymore when I hear the word lettuce. It smells like lettuce. But I believe this always smelled like lettuce. No, I'm gonna chuck this. You're supposed to chuck this after 6 months, so say goodbye. No styes for me, okay? I just got a style last week. I will not get one ever again. I refuse. We have the Jordana Fab Liner, which is also past its expiration date. We have the NYX That's the Point liner. I really love this stuff. This is really good. Very fine point. I love that. This is a really old Kat Von D lightning liner. I think this is like really old. I'm gonna get rid of this. Oh, I have another lash glue. This is the Salon Perfect one. I'm gonna keep that. Put that in that compartment. And these are a bunch of pencil liner. First of all, what? These Eyeliners lash glues, I'm chucking these. These are not good. Those are not good. They lift off extremely easily. I have a nude liner. I love this from Physicians Formula. No, this one's from Physicians Formula. That one is from Essence. Oh my gosh, this is really, really old. This is a brow pencil from Tony Moly. This is like a gray color because my natural hair color is like black, and this is the most natural for me to have as a brow hair color. So I'm actually gonna keep this just for like nostalgia's sake. I really don't like this. Yeah, this one is really dry. This purple eyeliner from Physicians Formula. I'm gonna get rid of that. I have this other liner from Physicians Formula. Like a bronzy shade. I'm gonna get rid of that. What do we have? Another Stila. No, this is an Ulta one. I believe I quite enjoyed this. Yes, that's a good liner. So I'm gonna keep this one. Oh my god, this is so old as well. This Essence one, it's like dried out. It's not as good anymore. I'm going to chuck this. This is another Ulta one. I love the formula of those. These are discontinued from Essence, but they are just so beautiful. These Essence gel pencils, so I'm gonna keep those. This Rimmel Scandalized Brown, I'm gonna get rid of that. This Jordana 12-hour one, ooh, that one's so creamy. And I don't have like a gray liner, so I'm gonna be keeping that one. This is another Kat Von D thing. I'm gonna get rid of this. This is a really good black liner from Physicians Formula, one of my favorites. So I'm gonna keep that one. And this is also one of my favorites, this black one. This green one is, ooh, that's nice. I don't have this shade of green either. It's quite like a unique, weird emeraldy grass shade. So this is all the stuff that I'm keeping from that. I got rid of most of the stuff. That's great for me. Eyelash curler can go back in there. Now we have this kind of like single shadow pigment type of drawer. So I just recently got these quad chrome shadows. Oh, that's not a quad chrome shadow. I will be keeping this though. This is an e.l.f. Cream eyeliner. I love this. I love these quad chrome shadows. I have a whole video on them if you want to see. They are some like next level pigments. Why am I contorting my hand like that? So I'll be keeping all of those. I have these two NYX glitters that are beautiful. I'll be keeping these. This cream shadow from Ulta is dried out, so I'm going to get rid of her. We have this, ooh, I love this single from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Nutty. It's amazing. I also have these roll-on shimmers from NYX, which may or may not be discontinued. I don't really know, but this is beautiful. These colors are really, really pretty, so I'm gonna keep all of these. I don't really have a lot of single stuff that I'm probably gonna give away because they're so nice. Oh my gosh, like this NYX shadow. What is this? Fireball. There's single shadow and Fireball. That is beautiful. Definitely keeping that. I have the Wet n Wild single shadow in Panther, which I'll be keeping, a nice black. And I think I'm gonna keep all of these. These are two Milani like single shadows, Bella Teal and Bella Silver, keeping that. This Jordana Baked eyeshadow in Orange Shock is beautiful, so I'm gonna keep this as well. So I got rid of most of the stuff from the mascara and like the liner drawer, not so much this one. It's cool, okay? We're gonna reorganize everything now. So that was a really quick declutter, a very much needed declutter. Hallelujah. So that wraps up my video, guys, on this blank declutter. This is going to be the same outro that you're going to see for each video, so it's just easier for me to edit, go through footage and all of that business. So any links that you're going to need, it'll all be linked down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. I do upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so definitely tune in on those days if you want to see more content from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!